Let's add these two fractions. The first denominator is 2. The second denominator is 24. Use the other denominator, 24, to scale the first fraction. Write 7 times 24 over 2 times 24. That gives the equal fraction 168 over 48. Now scale the second fraction by 2. Write 10 times 2 over 24 times 2. That gives 20 over 48. Both denominators now match. Add the top numbers and keep the denominator. Adding the numerators gives 188 over 48. The numerator and denominator share a factor of 4. Divide both by 4. Dividing top and bottom by the same number keeps the fraction's value unchanged. That gives 47 over 12 in lowest terms. Written as a mixed number, that is 3 and 11 over 12. Final answer, 3 and 11 over 12.